front of the Crayola Experience, and I am here to see the Hello Kitty food truck. Hello Kitty has a cafe in Las Vegas, so they're just bringing an experience around the US and having everybody have a feel for what it's like. So let's go. As you can see, it's right behind me. Super fun. Thank you so much for joining me and the Hello Kitty experience. It's late. Well, it's not super late, but it's starting to get dark early. And yeah, enjoyed it. It's super cute. Looking forward to someday going to the Hello Kitty cafe in Las Vegas in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, adios, bye, ciao. Alright, so we're back home now, and just wanted to share with you ladies 2 of the souvenirs that I got from the Hello Kitty cafe truck. First one is the super cute keychain with Chef Hello Kitty. It has a super cute donut and a latte mug, all with the Hello Kitty bows. I plan on attaching this to my lunchbox. Super cute. And then I also got some Hello Kitty stickers, which says, I had a super cute time. And lastly, my favorite item that I purchased was the Hello Kitty Cafe mug. And I also like the packaging it came in, so I don't think I'm gonna throw away the box. It says treats and sprinkle glass mug. When I asked them, they said that I can also put hot and cold drinks like tea, hot chocolate. As long as I hold it by the handle, it should be fine. It wouldn't break the glass or the material that it's made out of. Here you can see it says Sanrio Hello Kitty. And I'm gonna take it out the box so you ladies are able to see what I got. Okay. See? Ta-da! Cute! Says Hello Kitty Cafe at the bottom. Nice. Super cute. I see myself using this all the time now. Especially when I do like my beauty tutorials or glam ready with me. Super cute. And yeah. And here's the keychain one more time. Until next time.